Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. This video is about US indices, gold, crude oil, euro, British pound and cryptocurrencies. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 35,067. Interestingly, it is trading in weak zone because it could not break the resistance of 35,180. You can see the high 35,179 and currently it is trading 35,040. Resistance stands at 35,180. If Dow Jones break 180 and manage to sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise, Dow Jones is looking weak. Support stands at 34,940. If market break 940, then expect more crash in Dow Jones up to 34,800 and 34,500. Let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. Currently Nasdaq is trading 15,040 after making low around 14,983. This is early morning lows. Currently it is trading 15,037 after making high around 15,070. It is also trading in weak zone till it is not breaking 15,150. Resistance in Nasdaq stands at 15,150. That is the resistance for Nasdaq. If Nasdaq break that resistance, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise, it is looking weak. Support stands at 980. If Nasdaq break 980 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Nasdaq to test up to 14,900 and 14,500. Let's move on to S&P 500. Then we will go for gold and crude oil. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 44.13 after making high around 44.28. It is also trading in weak zone till it is not breaking the resistance of 44.35. If S&P break 44.35 and manage to sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise it is looking weak. Support stands at 43.90. If market break 43.90, expect S&P to test up to 43.50. Let's move on to gold. This is gold chart. Currently gold is trading 1808 after making low around $1805.70. It made high around $1817 today and currently trading almost at the middle of the day. Interestingly, it is in weak zone. Resistance stands at 1820. If market break 1820 and manage to sustain above that level, then only it will enter in positive zone. Otherwise it is looking weak. 1798 will act as support now. Below 1798, expect gold to test up to 1793 and 1788. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil chart. It made low around 72.61, high around 73.70. Currently it is also trading in weak zone. Resistance stands at $73.80. If crude oil breaks 73.80 and manage to sustain above that level, then it will enter in positive zone and can test up to 74.50. Support stands at 72.50. If market breaks 72.50 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect crude oil to test up to 72 and $71. Let's move on to forex. This is euro chart. Currently euro is trading 1877 after making high around 1896. After a small crash in dollar index, finally euro have entered in positive zone. Currently it is trading 1878, 1880. Support stands at 1850. If market break 1850, then expect euro to test up to 1800. Resistance stands at 1910. If market break 1910, then expect euro to test up to 1950 and 2000. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound. Currently it is trading 38.94 after making high around 39.32. Interestingly, it made high above the resistance of 39.30, but it could not sustain above that level. Currently it is trading in weak zone. If pound break 39.30 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect British pound to test up to 39.60 and 4,000. Let's move on to crypto. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently Bitcoin is trading $39,200 after making high around $40,500. It has entered in weak zone. Resistance stands at $40,600. If market break $40,600 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Bitcoin to test around $41,000 and $42,000. Support stands at $38,200. If market break $38,200 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect $38,000 and $37,000. Let's move on to Ethereum now. This is Ethereum currently trading 2583 after making low around 2515 today. It is trading in weak zone till it is sustaining below $2680. If market break 2680, then expect $2,800 and $3,000. Support stands at $2,500. If market break 2,500, then only it will enter in fresh selling zone. Otherwise, we might see a little bounce back. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given number in description. I will see you tomorrow same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.